Hey, iPhone users! Want to know how to monitor and track activities on someone else's iPhone effectively? Today, we're uncovering mSpy, the app that enables you to monitor calls, messages, and social media on their iPhone. Let's explore how mSpy can give you the insights you need. For those who might not be familiar, mSpy is a comprehensive mobile monitoring app that tracks calls, texts, GPS location, social media activity, and more. While it supports both Android and iPhone, today we'll focus exclusively on its iPhone capabilities. Make sure to check the link in the description below to explore mSpy for yourself and follow along easily. mSpy offers two main methods for monitoring an iPhone, through iCloud and Wi-Fi. Each method has its own set of features and benefits. The first method utilizes their iCloud account. If you know their credentials, this method is perfect for you. Simply log into your mSpy account with the credentials sent to your email, then enter your loved one's iCloud login details. mSpy will send a 6-digit code for two-factor authentication to their iPhone. Enter this code into the mSpy account to link their device. Once completed, you can start viewing their contacts, photos, calendar plans, and more. It's a straightforward way to start monitoring without needing physical access to their device. But what if you want more detailed information? That's where the Wi-Fi method comes in. Here's how it works. After purchasing the mSpy app, you'll need to install an additional app included in your subscription. To set up the app, follow these steps. Install the app on your Mac or PC. Connect the target iPhone to your Mac or PC via the USB cable. Allow the app to retrieve information from the iPhone via Wi-Fi. Disconnect the iPhone to start monitoring. Once set up, you'll receive data from their phone whenever they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This includes call logs, photos, videos, contacts, notes, WhatsApp, Line, and Viber messages, among other features. As you can see, Wi-Fi Sync offers more functionalities compared to the iCloud method. For even more features, mSpy offers a jailbreak option. This includes monitoring their exact location, setting safe and dangerous zones on the map, and receiving alerts when they cross these zones. mSpy offers different subscription options depending on how long you want to use the service. You can choose from a 1-month plan at around $48, a 3-month plan at about $28 per month, or a 12-month plan at roughly $11 per month. The 12-month plan offers the best value for long-term monitoring. To sum it up, mSpy stands out as one of the best monitoring and tracking software solutions with a comprehensive set of features. It's reliable, competitively priced, and supported by a friendly customer service team. Whether you're a parent, partner, or employer, mSpy provides the tools you need to ensure the safety and productivity of those you care about. If you're interested in trying out mSpy, click the link in the description below to get started.